Hello, Power Systems engineers. Have you ever wanted to control Microsoft Excel from Python? What about exporting data from PSSE into Microsoft Excel? Well, today you'll learn how to do both of these things. Control Excel from Python and export from PSSE. So let's get started. I've opened up my Python shell here and I've pointed it at the PSSE installation that I'm running, which is PSSE 32. I've added to the Python path, so sys.path.append, which tells Python where to find the PSSE libraries, and the OS environment path addition tells PSSE where its own libraries are added. You'll need both of these before you can start importing the next two steps. So I've imported the XLPy module. This is distributed with PSSE version 32. It was written by the PSSE team, and it makes it easy to write data to Excel. I'll create an XLPy workbook. Now, a workbook is just an Excel spreadsheet, and I'll store a reference to that Excel spreadsheet in a variable I'm going to call XL. Now I can show that new Excel spreadsheet, and it appears on the right as book 4. I can write headings. So for instance, to write a heading, bus numbers to A1, I use the set cell method. I can also set a heading in the second column. Voltage in per unit. Now let's export some data from PSSE and put it here into Excel. I'm going to export two sets of data. First, all the bus numbers in the demonstration saved case, followed by all of the per unit voltages for those bus numbers. So first let's get a list of all the bus numbers. First we'll import PSSPy. And import redirect. We'll use redirect PSSE to Pi to change any output pop-up dialog boxes from being in those pop-up boxes into the actual Python shell here. Now I'll initialize PSSE, and you can see the output has been put here into this PSSE shell rather than being written to a pop-up dialog box. Now with PSSE initialized, let's load a case. And then let's read out a list of all the bus numbers. And here the bus variable has been called buses. I've used the function called aBusInt, which is the subsystem data retrieval functionality. The subsystem data retrieval functions let you get a whole host of data all at once for all of the buses in the saved case, rather than one at a time. I can do the same thing to get the voltages. and here I've collected the voltages in per unit. Now to write these two buses, a column of buses and the column of voltages, into Excel. So I'm going to set the range from 2 in column A to be the buses, and the voltages in column B. Now I've used the zip function here to transpose a column, what was given to me in a row by PSSE into a column. Now we can save our workbook. So that's it for now. If you have any questions about exporting data into Excel, feel free to hop onto psspy.org and ask a question. I'll be happy to answer.